Many digestive problems experienced by people in their 60s or 70s, bloating, gas, constipation, a reduced appetite, aren't simply due to age, but to a less robust digestive system. What's surprising is that something as basic as a spoon from your kitchen can frequently resolve this. Just one spoon, not a medicine, a pricey supplement, or anything other than a completely natural, homemade solution to get your digestion going and your energy levels up, even at 90. I'm Dr. John Smith, and before continuing, I don't want you to feel obliged to subscribe. If you find this valuable, a subscription is welcome, but you're perfectly able to simply watch and learn something that could be very helpful. Let's begin. Your gut, more commonly called your digestive system, has a far-reaching influence than most people realize. It's not just about breaking down food. It affects your mood, immune function, sleep, and even your memory. In fact, it's now described by doctors as the second brain. As we get older, several things change inside us. The stomach makes less acid, digestion gets slower, and the beneficial bacteria in the intestines, which maintain balance, start to decrease. This is very often worsened by highly processed foods, stress, too little fiber, or certain medications. This is when we start to have issues like bloating, irregular digestion, feeling tired after meals, and a decreased ability to resist infection. Luckily, this can be improved, and a very simple action can begin the healing process. The answer is a spoonful of homemade probiotic yogurt. Many families know it as curd. Yogurt, but the right kind, not the sugary, store-bought types. I mean plain, homemade, naturally fermented yogurt, full of healthy bacteria. Yogurt contains good microbes, predominantly lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Digestion will be improved, gas and bloating will be reduced, and you'll absorb essential nutrients better, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B12. All particularly important for older individuals. And it doesn't stop there. Approximately 70% of your immune system is in the gut. Improving gut health, therefore, automatically boosts your ability to withstand illness, infection, and fatigue. Yogurt slows down the rate at which your body absorbs sugar, helping to maintain more consistent blood sugar levels after eating. Such as yogurt can lessen chronic inflammation. It's simple. 1 or 2 spoonfuls of plain homemade yogurt after breakfast or lunch is all you require daily. More isn't needed. This small quantity is enough to support the growth of your gut bacteria. For a little extra taste, a pinch of toasted cumin or a drop of lemon juice will do the job and will actually help with digestion even more. Let me share a quick story. I'm Ars Thompson. A patient of mine is 84. For years, she struggled with bloating and irregular digestion. Instead of prescribing more medication, I suggested a spoonful of homemade yogurt with her lunch each day. Within 3 weeks, she reported an improvement in her digestion. The bloating was gone, and she felt more energetic. Her son even said she was sleeping better. That's the effect of 1 spoon. It's a very gentle, natural solution. The probiotics in yogurt add good bacteria back to your intestines. When that balance is restored, your body will naturally begin to digest and repair itself. So if you're feeling tired after food or your stomach isn't as comfortable as it once was, the problem might not be the food itself. Begin with a spoonful of yogurt per day. It's easy, effective, and has no adverse effects. In the next section, I'll show you how to make perfect probiotic yogurt at home, even if you've never done it before. and some other natural ingredients to make this remedy even more useful for older people. If you found this useful, please like the video. It genuinely helps more people who deserve a healthy and energetic life to find our channel. I'm frequently told, Dr. Smith, I've tried to make yogurt, but it's been too sour, too watery, or hasn't set at all. Don't worry, I'll explain a simple method which consistently works even in colder climates. Start with around half a liter of full-fat milk, always fresh, and avoid pre-flavored or skimmed varieties. Warm the milk until it almost boils. Then let it cool to a temperature you can comfortably put a fingertip into. That's just right. Then add a teaspoon of live yogurt or some from a previous batch. This is your starter, and mix it well. Cover and keep the mixture somewhere warm in your kitchen for 6 to 8 hours. That's all there is to it. The yogurt will become fermented naturally. If it's cold where you are, wrap a towel around the bowl to keep it warm, or put it in the oven with just the light on. Do not turn the oven on for heat. Within a few hours, your yogurt will thicken beautifully, becoming creamy, fresh, and full of beneficial bacteria. Once you've made it, refrigerate it to slow down the fermentation process and keep those active probiotics alive. But how can we make it even better? 5 simple additions, stirred into a spoonful of your yogurt now and then, will create a complete tonic for healing your gut. Turmeric powder, just a pinch. Half a teaspoon of flaxseed powder, which is rich in fiber and omega-3 south to help digestion, balance cholesterol, and feed the good gut bacteria. A pinch of cinnamon for lovely flavors and to improve your body's use of insulin. Good for older people with diabetes. Grated ginger or half a teaspoon of ginger juice to balance stomach acid, relieve bloating and nausea. It's a natural aid to digestion. And a few drops of lemon juice to give enzymes a boost in breaking down food, and extra vitamin C for your immune system. You don't have to have all of these every day, just change them around. Maybe turmeric today, ginger tomorrow, then flaxseed. These little extras will keep your gut busy and diverse, and that's what you want. How long should you continue this? Make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth. Have a spoonful of yogurt each day. It's gentle enough to continue for life. You should start to see improvements in a few weeks. Easier digestion, more regular bowel movements, and more energy after meals. And many people don't realize this. A healthier gut usually means you'll be happier. Serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is made in your gut, so better digestion leads to a calmer, more optimistic mood. I have seen this happen to many of my patients. Mr. Peterson, 79, suffered from long-term constipation and fatigue. After a spoonful of yogurt with flaxseed every other day, his digestion improved, and his doctor noted improved cholesterol at his next appointment. The best medicine really does come from nature. We just need to notice it. You now know how to make and enhance your probiotic yogurt, but let's go a step further. Whilst a spoonful of yogurt is beneficial, your gut health isn't just about food. It's also about how you live. I tell all my patients, your gut is a little like a small garden. The yogurt provides the seeds, but your daily life determines whether those seeds grow or die. So let's consider small daily changes to help your inner garden thrive. Firstly, drink water the right way. Many people don't drink enough, or they drink it too quickly, and both are harmful. Begin your day with a glass of warm, not hot, just comfortable, water. It gently wakes up your digestive system and removes toxins. Then, sip water slowly throughout the day. Avoid drinking large amounts immediately before or after eating, as this can weaken stomach acid and slow digestion. Secondly, chew your food slowly and be mindful of what you're doing. Digestion begins in your mouth, not your stomach. Thorough chewing helps your body physically break down food and gives your digestive juices a head start. This small change will reduce gas and bloating, make you feel full quicker, and help you absorb more nutrients from your food, and you won't need medicine to achieve it. Thirdly, after meals, walk a little instead of lying down. A gentle 10-minute walk after eating will help food move through your intestines and prevent acid reflux. Even a slow walk around your house or balcony after lunch and dinner can have a good effect. Fourthly, include natural fiber in your meals. Fiber is like a cleaning brush for your gut, keeping things moving and feeding the good bacteria. Simple, good choices are a small bowl of papaya, an apple with its skin on, a portion of steamed vegetables, or a tablespoon of chia or flaxseed soaked overnight. Try to have at least one high-fiber food with each meal. Fifthly, breathe deeply and manage stress. Does your stomach feel tight or uncomfortable when you're worried? That's because your gut and brain are constantly communicating. 5 minutes of deep breathing each morning can reduce stress hormones that interfere with digestion. Sit comfortably, breathe slowly in through your nose, hold it for a moment, then breathe gently out through your mouth. This calms your mind and relaxes the stomach muscles, improving blood flow to your intestines. Sixthly, have a fairly regular schedule. Your gut likes things to be predictable. Try to eat your meals at about the same time each day and go to bed around the same time each night. I've seen over the years with my older patients that those who do these things rarely have serious digestive problems. In fact, many of them look and feel much younger than they are. A month later, she said to me, "Dr. Smith, I feel lighter, my clothes are looser, and I sleep like a baby." It's incredible what consistent, gentle habits can achieve when you allow your body to heal. Just before I finish this series on gut health, a quick reminder: healing isn't instant. Don't expect to see changes immediately. Think of it as looking after your body a little bit each day. Even if you're 60, 70, or 90, your body is still able to repair itself if you're kind to it. So continue with the yogurt, drink water thoughtfully, chew properly, move gently after meals, and breathe deeply. These little everyday things build a strong, happy digestive system, and in the end, a stronger you. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and share it with anyone who could benefit. It could completely change their health. And if you'd like more straightforward, scientifically supported advice on staying well in your later years, we don't make anyone subscribe, but if you enjoy learning with me in a natural way, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for giving me your time today. I'm Dr. John Smith, and I wish you good digestion, good health, and good days to come.